Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to enable Face ID for App Store. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that we need to scroll down and find and click Face ID and passcode. Here we need enter our passcode, and after that you need scroll down and click iTunes and App Store setting. We must turn on this setting, and that's all. This is very easy way to do. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.